How to fix WPS Office for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall WPS Office from your Mac, you can use the following script, #bin/bash #stop WPS Office if it's currently running pgrep WPS/dev/null, then echo stopping WPS Office osascript equip app WPS fi #remove WPS Office application and related files echo removing WPS Office sudo rmrf/application/WPS /libraries/application/WPS/rmrf/library/caches/WPS/rmrf/library/caches/com.kingsoft.wpsoffice.plist rmrf/library/preferences/com.kingsoft.wpsmail.plist rmrf/library/save /application/state/com.kingsoft.wpsoffice.savedState/ echo WPS Office has been uninstalled. Here's what the script does. It checks if WPS Office is currently running and stops it if it is. It removes the WPS Office application from the Applications folder. It removes the WPS Office related files from the Users Library folder. It displays a message confirming that WPS Office has been uninstalled. To use the script, you can save it to a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_wps.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_wps.sh. Then, you can run the script by entering its file name in terminal, /uninstall_wps.sh. Note that you'll need to enter your admin password when prompted, as the script uses sudo to remove the WPS Office application and related files. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.